Hi friends, I welcome you to the next video on bills of exchange. In our earlier videos we have discussed the meaning of a bill of exchange. We have seen few problems on bills of exchange. We'll continue with that. I have a problem before you. We'll learn how to write journal entries in the books of both the parties and see. Mr. Sohan sold goods on credit to Mr. Ali, rupees 1 lakh on 1st June 2021. So this is the transaction that is taking place between Mr. Sohan and Mr. Ali. The value of the goods sold by Mr. Sohan to Mr. Ali is 1 lakh on 1st June 21. So on 1st June 21, what is the entry we are going to pass in the books of Mr. Sohan? He is selling goods to Mr. Ali. So Mr. Ali's account will be debited with rupees 1 lakh and sales account will be credited. Sales account will be credited with 1 lakh. What is the logic of the entry? Mr. Ali is personal account receiver of the goods debit. Sales is nominal account incomes and gains credit. On the same day, what is the entry in the books of Mr. Ali? In the books of Mr. Ali, the entry is purchases account debtor rupees 1 lakh to Mr. Sohan account. What is the logic behind the entry? Purchases stock till the time the goods are sold, it is an asset for Mr. Ali. Real account coming in debit. Mr. Sohan is giving a loan to Mr. Ali, so his account is credited. Okay. So if you observe in this transaction, the position of debtor creditor relationship has been created between Mr. Sohan and Mr. Ali. A relationship has been created. In the books of Mr. Sohan, Ali is shown as a debtor, and in the books of Mr. Ali, Sohan is shown as a creditor. This relationship will be settled only when money is paid by Mr. Ali to Mr. Sohan. So when Mr. Ali pays money, the relationship of debtor and creditor will come to an end. But let us see what happens, whether Mr. Ali pays money to Sohan to settle the account or what does he do. Mr. Sohan drew a bill on Ali for 3 months, which was accepted and returned by Mr. Ali. So what has happened is, on 1st June, Mr. Ali requested Mr. Sohan to give him 3 months time. So Mr. Sohan drew a bill on Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali wrote the words accepted and signed the bill, and he returned it to Sohan. Now Sohan is getting an asset. What is the name of the asset? Bills receivable. Bill is an asset. It is receivable for him. Hence, he is going to debit it with 1 lakh. And it is given to him by Mr. Ali. So, Ali's account will be credited with 1 lakh. So, this is the entry we are going to pass in the books of Mr. Sohan. Okay. What will be the entry in the books of Mr. Ali? Mr. Sohan is the receiver of the asset. Mr. Sohan account debit 1 lakh. 2. Bills payable. On this bill he has to pay money, so he is showing it as a liability in his books. Okay, or we can say an asset is going out from his books, hence it is credited. So this is the entry we pass in the books of Mr. Sohan and Mr. Ali when the bill is drawn. Now what happens next? Let us see. On the due date, Mr. Ali honored the bill. What is the due date of the bill? The bill was drawn on 1st June 2021 for a duration of 3 months. So we will add first 3 months to the months. So you will get 1st September 2021. We have to allow 3 days of grace. So we are going to get 4th September 21 as the due date. So on 4th September 21, what is going to happen? On 4th September 21, Mr. Ali is going to make the payment. So Sohan is receiving cash. If he receives a check, he will debit bank. Cash account debit 1 lakh. He will give the bill back to Mr. Ali. 2 bills receivable, rupees 1 lakh. He exchanges the bill for cash. In the books of Mr. Ali, what is entry is going to write? He is getting his bills back now. The bill which he has signed, now is getting it back. Bills payable account debit 1 lakh. he returned cash to Mr. Sohan, or he has given cash to Mr. Sohan, so cash account will be credited. Real account coming in debit, real account going out credit. If bill is considered as an asset, real account coming in debit, real account going out credit. Now if you observe, bills payable is plus here and it is minus here, that means account has been closed. Here it was plus, here it is minus, it becomes squared off or it becomes 0. Now the physical bill, the physical bill is with Mr. Sohan. What he is going to do is he is going to just cancel this bill, or he is just going to tear it off to finish it. Okay, so this is how the entries will pass in the books of Mr. Sohan and Mr. Ali.